So this is my boat, 27-foot Albin Vega. I bought this boat when I used to live in Denmark and sailed it around a bunch. Sailed it to Norway, where I lived as well, and then down the Swedish west coast and Denmark and Norway and all over the place. But then I moved back to Australia, and it's just been sitting in this boatyard in Denmark for the last 4 years. And I decided that I should do something about it and sell it. So we're here, and we're going to take the mast down and do a few other things to try and get it ready to hopefully be sold. So yeah, it's a bit sad because I had it for 7 or so years now, but nope, we're going to say goodbye to her and take the mast down for various reasons. Because I want my stays, man, and my shrouds. I spent so long making them. I made them out of galvanized steel and parceled and served them, and did all the traditional stuff with splicing the galvanized cable into eyes and everything. And I don't think that anyone who buys this boat will actually want the amateurly spliced galvanized stays. So I still have the original stainless steel ones, which will go with the boat, but I'm taking mine back because I love them. That is all. We're going to get this done. So we're doing the dodgy and just using some shears to get it down. So we've taken 2 bits here off the stand and substituted them with rope for now. So it'll be fine. And we're going to lash them together up here, hoist them up, and yep, gonna get the mast down. I've done it before. It's all fine. It's all good. How do you feel about this?
Gonna die.
Okay. Lashed the top of the shears together. That should hold. I hope. Well, I got my block and tackle set up here on the shears, ready to pull it up. I've got each side butted up against the middle shroud attachment and tied on, so everything should be ready for hoisting this up now. We got the shears up. Got a rope bracing it on the front, got a rope bracing it on the back, got it tied around the shrouds here, so it should be all tight through the chain plate and on the other side. So should be ready to do it. I'm scared. So here's my method for adjusting how high we pull up from. We've got a line running up here and it's looped around the mast, running down here to a winch, thence to a cleat. We got the other end of the block and tackle attached to it. So right now, that's where I'm pulling upwards from. It's not high enough, but that's where I'm pulling upwards from. And if we let out on this cleat a little bit, we can raise the pulling point. So we're going to raise it up as high as we can, and then hoist up. So normally you'd like to pull the mast up from just underneath the spreaders here, but we can't go that high, so we go as high as we can and hope for the best. Yeah, boy. Well, we got it down, but it was a little bit chaotic. I think these shears are slightly too short. I've done this method before, but it usually went pretty smooth. That was slightly sketchy, but Jen did a great job. Cheers, and we got her down without too much fuss. Just removing all the rigging now, so the mast is all naked and bare, because I'm taking my sexy, beautiful rigging home to Australia. Also, girlfriend.
You've never called me that.
Well, we're leaving the boat now forever. I gave her a little wash just to get her on her way so she doesn't look like complete scum. And took a bunch of photos for the ad I'm going to put up. And said goodbye. Gave her a few tender kisses. But now it's time to move on to new things. And yeah. Godspeed. Now can you film me sadly walking away?